Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Pete back with you guys with Kilo 1. Another gun review today. We'll be looking at the Glock 43 Gen 5 Talo edition. Seen gun reviews, and nobody really talks about the Talo. Like, what is the Talo edition? People say it's special edition type of Glock 43. Now we're gonna look into it. There's not a crazy amount of changes. Even with the Gen 5, it looks like they kind of really overlooked the Gen 5, obviously, because they're making the Glock 43X, which was a different variation, and the Glock 45. They went, with this whole demand of, smaller concealable pistols that's double stack, that has a larger capacity. Glock totally went somewhere else, and that was kind of weird from a Glock standpoint. Totally went on their, actually no, they always do their own thing, I guess. But totally separate from everybody and the whole fad that's going on, with smaller guns with a higher capacity. Let's take a look at the new Taurus G3C Toro, which is an awesome optic ready firearm. Also the Hellcat OSP, and the new what was it? Smith & Wesson Shield Super, or no, Super or Plus. Let me know. I forgot what the actual name was. I believe it's Super or Plus. Let us know down below on what it is. I don't quite remember. But anyways, we'll be taking a look at this Glock 43, and especially if you find it with all this craziness that's happening at the moment with the whole dumb pandemic and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at this brand new gun that we received. Go ahead and open it. Alright, bam. So, comes in a standard Glock case. Let's go ahead and dump the mag. Empty as can be. Yep. So, this is the Glock 43 Gen 5. How do you know it's a Gen 5? The followers are orange. Yeah, that's how you know, guys. That's it. All right, thank you for watching. I'm just kidding. So this is a Gen 5 Talo edition. It's basically the same specs as a Gen 4. They kind of like overlook it. It is an absolutely amazing gun for a concealed carry. Fits perfectly. I think it's a little too big for like pocket carry, but a nice holster will do. We have a couple of holsters coming, or that's on their way that we ordered, and we'll do like an update on this gun with the holsters that we did buy. It feels really great in your hands. There is a little pinky extension on here on one of the magazines, as you can tell. The other one comes with just a flush magazine. It is 6+1. There's no really indication that they never mark what gen it is ever on the slide. I have no idea why. Only on the Glock 43s and some compacts like the Glock 42, it just shows you that's Glock 43. And nothing crazy. They actually have a bigger side release to operate a little bit better. Not the slide release. I'm sorry, the mag release. The slide catcher release, it's somewhat flush. I think we'll be changing it out. This is ultimately my wife's carry gun. We went out and shot probably a box to it. She loves it, absolutely loves it. It's really comfortable in your hand. Really slim profile here. A good finish to it. Obviously, with everybody loving Glock, and Glock is probably one of the top tier firearms to get. Probably not the best, but it's a good option. Definitely not a fanboy whatsoever, but a definitely good finish here. They always have a really good finish on their firearms. Just a really good feeling, really slim line. They said that they made this type of grip to fit all type of hand sizes. If you have gigantic freaking hands, I'm not sure how that's going to fit your size, but if you're normal, it'll fit you. You got it. So this is a Talo edition, and we'll discuss that in a little bit on what is the Talo edition all about. But really, really, really nice firearm. So let's go ahead and take a look a little bit further. It is a built-in beaver tail. It's nothing crazy, nothing excessive, not super long. Will fit just perfectly. You could get right up on it. and it works out perfectly. Obviously, you guys know the Glock 43 is 9x19 or 9mm 9mm Luger. It is some Comcast. Man, words are hard. Subcompact. Like I said, it's 6+1 capacity on here. You know, it's not going to be one of those double stacked carry guns that you see with all the other ones, like even the Glock 26. But they're meatier, they're fatter, obviously, because of the double stack. The barrel length is 3.39. Not the smallest, but not the longest. The total length is 6.26 inches. Total weight unloaded is 17, almost 18, actually 17.95 ounces, almost 18 ounces. Not too heavy, not the lightest. But you know what? I think that's a comfortable size, especially with a 9mm. Now you get into these carry sizes or subcompact sizes, and you're shooting a 9mm, you're gonna have a little bit more felt recoil. But I think 18 ounces is a fairly good compromise on this. So you could stay right on target without really feeling it in your palm of your hands. You know what I mean? So standard gripping, nothing too special on the grip. It's basically like the Gen 4s and Gen 3s. There's nothing special about this grip whatsoever. I do recommend, they're not aggressive at all. It could slip right out of your hand. I recommend getting like some type of Talon grips or aftermarket grips on here. That would be my suggestion to this. Also, standard trigger, nothing too crazy on it. Obviously, it comes with Glock's, safeties. You have safety on the trigger, internal safeties. Nothing too special on it. Finish is gas, nitride, and black polymer. Gas nitride, there's nothing wrong with nitriding. It's actually really, really good finish on the Glock. Prevents rust or scrapes on it. Is definitely a durable finish on it. Nothing too special on it. Now, they're saying that the MSRP is $630. All this craziness that's going on right now, I think you'll probably find it around $600, which is nuts. Normally this would be about $520, $530 all day long prior to the pandemic. Even $590 or $495 prior. Now it's just getting around MSRP, which kind of freaking sucks ass. But what can you do? So this I got it for $530. I believe $530 or $550, which is great pre-pandemic pricing. I got it from Canyon County Coins here in Nampa, Idaho. I'll have their information down below and their address. Really good people, great pricing, super awesome customer service. Really, really good pricing. I mean, pre-pandemic pricing. I got this for $530 or either $550. Don't quite remember, but really, really good pricing on it. Not that bad of a firearm. So the great difference about Talo and all just the regular ones is the front sight here. The front sight is Ameriglow. It's a Ameriglow night sight, and then we have a U notch in the back. So a standard slot in the rear sight. You don't have that, just blacked out rear sight and the illuminated front sight or a night sight right in the front. Really fast acquisition of the target. You can pick that up like an ease, just as ease. It's just absolutely amazing. I actually do love this type of sight on here. I don't have current night sights on my Glock 19 Gen 5, the MOS that we had a video on. I will put a description below if you guys haven't seen that. I suggest you guys watch that. But not bad sights here. They're actually really nice. I really do like these night sights a lot. You pick it up really quick. Cool thing is they do make like a laser light combo on here. I'm not sure if my wife really wants to go that route. It gets a little bit bulky. She might. I believe I did buy a holster for that if she wanted to in the future. Just in case. But guys, this we'll be doing a gun review. I know you guys have been asking whether it's getting super nice. I did buy a whole bunch of range ammo. We'll be doing that here coming soon within a week or two. We'll have some range videos with a couple of these firearms. And another firearm review coming here probably in a couple of days, showcasing a Diamondback 380 and another firearm, possibly the 1022 Charger. So just please follow along, hit like, subscribe to this channel. We really do appreciate it. 99% of you are not subscribing to this channel. We really need the support. We could come out with these new videos, new gun videos, gaming videos, whatever you guys want. Just let us know in the comments down below. We'll do free giveaways. Please just like, subscribe. We really do appreciate everything you guys do. You guys make this channel stay alive. We really do appreciate that. There's a Patreon down below. See if you want to donate. See if you find it in your heart to donate to us. We would really appreciate it. Like again, we appreciate you guys being around. Thank you so much. You guys stay safe and freedom on.